Hi guys, welcome back or welcome to my channel if you're new here. I hope you're doing well. So we're in a very different kind of background. I'm actually in the family car at the moment, and we just went into Pound's shop or Poundland, and I found the two advent calendars, and I'm going to actually unbox them now in the car because why not? Why not unbox them now in the car? Why not? So I'm really excited actually to see what are in here and if they're worth. They were both £5 each, so I'm not sure if that was the original price or not, if they put it down, because obviously it's the 7th of December at the moment. But let's just open them up and see what's inside. So I'm going to go and start off with the 12 days pampering countdown and see what is in this one first. So number one is just here, and let's see how good the doors are to open. Behind the door number one is a snowflake fizzler, so you just drop it into the bath and it obviously just fizzles and makes the bath smell very nice. Right, for day two we're up here. Ooh. So hard to get into. Oh, and I think we've got another one, and it's a heart shape. These are really cool. You can use them yourself or put them in little hampers to give to people. That's a really good idea. So we have a heart-shaped soap. So it is a soap, not a fizzler. Let's put that there. So now we're on to day three. Hope we don't hear too much noise. There is a road literally right in front of me, and people getting in and out of their cars because I am still right next to Poundland. I was like so excited to unbox this. I thought just go back to the car and quickly unbox it. So for day three, oh, this is going to be a hard one to get out. Right, so this is I think this is a bath bomb, a really good size bath bomb. It is 40 grams, so that's a really good size. Pop it in, bath bomb, done. I wonder if it turns it pink. I bet it does, or purple. I bet it does. Okay, so day four we have down here. Oh, come on. I must say I do love the packaging for this advent calendar. I love the marbled effect, and then the pink, and then the rose gold around the trimmings around it. Really pretty. Right, so we have some sort of tub here. Oh, so some sort of tub. Okay, so this is body scrub. This is a 30ml tub, which is really good actually. I'm just going to open it and see if it smells of anything. It's got a nice seal on. Let's open it up. So yeah, it just smells kind of like clean. It doesn't have like a particular smell like rose or anything. It's just like a clean smell. Mum's just opened up the back. She's putting some stuff in. So for now, day five, and we are up here. We do have another snowflake fizzler, and again, pop it in your bath and it will make it smell amazing. So it does have a hint of smell. I'm not sure what it is, but again, it does smell nice. It's very soft. It's not an overpowering smell. So for day six, we're just here, a heart-shaped door. So, so hard to open. So again, we have another heart-shaped soap. So I'm just going to leave that in there because it's so hard to get out. And then we're on to day seven. Oh. So actually in day seven, there's nothing there. I think they might have dropped down, so hopefully we'll find them in a minute. So now on to day eight. Oh, there we are. And again, we've got another ball. So we've got another type ball, and I think this is another bath bomb. Yeah, this must be a bath bomb. Yeah, must be a bath bomb. So for day nine, we're here. Oh. And again, we have another snowflake fizzler. So definitely like these in their advent calendars. This is a 25 grams. So what are the first ones? 25, yeah. So the snowflakes are 25. Okay. Number 10 is here, and it's a heart shaped again. So yeah, it's another soap bar. So we have 3 heart soaps. Number 11 is just here. Okay, so we have another tub of something. And this tub is a body butter. And this has got 30 grams in as well. And again, it's got a seal, so I'm just going to take it off. It's white. Okay, so I can't actually get that off, but it is white. So it's the last day now. Yeah. So for the last day, it's just here, and it is a star shaped. I don't think you can see it quite well. I'm sorry if the lighting's not too great. I think it's around 3 o'clock. Oh. And we have, ooh, this is cool. We have a star on a string, and this is a star pumice stone. It's where you rub on your feet and that to get all like dry skin. That's really cool. I think it's got the same scent throughout. It's not too overpowering. It's very like clean smell, not bad. So I have just noticed the number 7, and it would have been the Multicolor bath salts, and they've got 15 grams in here. Not a bad size in an advent calendar. Yeah, it's got the same smell as the others. So that was for the 12-day pampering countdown for 12 days. This is probably what I was most excited for, the nail varnishes. So this is Nailed It, 12 days nail colour countdown, and again this was £5. I love the packaging. You can even put it on a tree. It's really, really cool. So I can't wait to unbox this. So where do we start? Number 1. So number 1's here. Oh, just rip that off. So for door number 1, we've got this nice dark gold colour. It doesn't say what the name is, it just says nail varnish, but that's a really, really nice colour. Let's have a little look at the brush. Not a bad brush for how small the nail varnish is. I really, really like that. Really, really nice. So that was day 1. For 2, we have, it's up here. For day 2, we do get a nice Christmas red. That's a really, really nice colour. Not too dark, but not too bright. For day 3, we have a black colour, and it's got silver and gold sparkle. That's really, really nice. Be nice on your toes. For day 4, we have a very bright pink for day 4. Not something I would normally wear on my nails at all. I can probably gift this to someone. Day 5. We have it clear, so it could be top coat or bottom coat or both. So you do get 4.5 millilitres in these nail varnishes, which is a good size for an advent calendar. Day 6, we have this nice mauve purple. This is the kind of colour that I would wear. Really, really nice. It reminds me of Ciate Ice Frappe, my favourite one from Ciate, London. For day 7, we are here. And we have, we have a white for day 7. This is good for French manicures. For day 8, we do have this very dark colour. It's more like a purple blue shade. Something again that I wouldn't normally wear, so it would be gifted. Good on the toes, yeah. For day 9, we're up here again, and we have a very soft pink. That's a very soft pink colour. It is a nice shade. Day 10. For day 10, we finally have a glittery shade. We have like a kind of grey colour, and it's got loads of sparkle, golds and silvers in there. I don't know if you can see. Very pretty. That would be very pretty over the red colour. For day 11, again. For day 11, we have this very nice purple colour, and I would definitely wear this one on my nails. Really, really nice. Do you know what kind of colour that would be?
It's a rose, isn't it?
Yeah, rosy. So for day 12 and the last day, oh, this is very nice. We have this like pearlized blue. It's got a shift of gold to it, if you can see. A really, really nice shift of gold to that blue. So that was the Nailed It 12 days of nail colour countdown. This box is completely destroyed. It's a very nice design. I am actually happy with those both. You can, I think they'd be good to put in a hamper, these little bath fizzlers and the soaps, very nice in a hamper. The nail varnishes, if they're good and they work and they're worth the money that you paid, that's really, really good. So I'm very happy with both those advent calendars. I don't know if they're still selling in every single Poundland, but they were where we are at the moment. But I would definitely go into your pound shop and see if you can, if they're still available for you guys. So they were £5 each, which I think is a really good price for both advent calendars. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope you liked it. If you did, then please like, subscribe and hit that notification bell, ding ding. Also come and follow me on my Instagram. Instagram will be somewhere down here. Until next time, guys, bye.